Hello, Melissa and Mickey here. I'm here on another beautiful Disney Wish selling, and I am selling in stateroom 10520. I want to take you for a tour. It will accommodate 3 guests. It's a beautiful deluxe ocean view veranda room. We've opened up our connecting balconies and can't wait to show you. And for your next Disney vacation, contact Melissa and Mickey. You can find me at melissa@crazyimaginationtravel.com. It would be my pleasure to assist you. Book with a Disney expert so you don't miss a thing. Let's go tour. 10520. Let's go in this beautiful deluxe ocean view with veranda. We have a Moana theme, which is so lovely. This stateroom will accommodate up to 3 guests, and I have 3 colleagues with me this time. Thank you to our company for hosting us. We are so excited. And when you book your next Disney cruise with Melissa and Mickey, I will make sure that your stateroom accommodates all of your guests and meets your needs at no extra charge to you. So book your next Disney cruise with a Disney vacation expert. And I am on my 26th Disney cruise and will be a wealth of information to you. So find me at melissa@crazyimaginationtravel.com, and let's start and tour this beautiful room. So we have got, we've panned the room like you're used to seeing. Now let's start with, we have the sleeper, and I mentioned this room will accommodate 3. So you've got your queen size bed and then the sofa sleeper, and I will pull it out so you can see. My son usually sleeps here, and he's 6 foot, so it's rather large, almost as large as a twin. Here is the 3rd sleeper in the stateroom. Yeah, that's almost a twin. It's got nice padding there, nice blanket, and a pillow. So great for the 3rd guest. Here's our beautiful Moana artwork. So lovely. And here we have shelving, and we've got our cups with our Disney Cruise Line logo. I always love these. They're so pretty. And we have got our drawers here. And if you haven't sailed on Disney Wish, check this out. This is our refrigerator. So yes, it is a drawer, and you can put your Cokes or whatever you need to keep cool in there, your water. We have more shelving, and we have our hair dryer here. So no need to bring a hair dryer. Now I am platinum. That means I've sailed 10 or more times. It's actually 26. So I got a beautiful platinum bag. Now here is our mirror, and then we have more storage here. We have a telephone if we need to order room service, and then we also have our remote control. There's our flat screen TV. It's lovely, and I just absolutely love the Disney Wish and all of the beautiful bedding. And look, oh gosh, I just love being on a cruise ship, Disney cruise ship that is. Disney Wish for our blanket. It's so beautiful. And look at the linens here. They're so, oh goodness. You've got a touch of Disney there with Mickey. Moana again, and she's sparkling. I just love this. The scene from the movie. And then here you have your side table. Here are your plugs, 2 USBs, which are great. And then you have your extra storage, which is nice. Now, I didn't show you the chargers over here. I know this is totally important to my family, and it will be yours too. 2 regular plugs, and then we have 2 USB, and then a 3rd plug there, so you should be set. Now let's go and look at the split bath. What I love about Disney Cruise Line is most of our rooms have split baths. We can talk about that when you contact me. This one does have a split bath, so 2 family members can get ready at one time. There is your full-length mirror. Here is your shower. I love the shower. So this is a tub stand-up shower. There you have that. And then you have your shower head. You've got your H2O products here. And then you've got your tub and stand-up shower. Love that. And again, we can also request certain rooms and select certain rooms. When you contact me, we can talk about that through phone or email, whichever you prefer. Here's our sink. Here's our H2O body lotion. Here's our, I love this, little makeup monogram, so cool. And your H2O soap there. Hello, here's your mirror and your lovely towels that have the Disney Cruise Line logo. Love that. Now let's go in the second bathroom. Again, it's a split bath. So here's your toilet area, and we have our mirror here. We have another sink, so 2 sinks. There's your hand soap. There is your trash, and then I also love that these staterooms have the little trays. So you have lots of storage here as well. Now, let's look at the closet space. So opening this up, we have hangers here. Looks like we have quite a few hangers. Okay, now let's get to this area. We've got more space here, and then we've got our safe to put your valuables, and then you set your own lock there, which is nice. More storage. And then finally our last area here, we've got robes. Look at that, very nice. And more hangers. Very good. And look at the beautiful carpet. I love the blue. Oh, look at that, you can see my ears. That's so cool. I love it. For your next Disney Cruise vacation, contact Melissa and Mickey. It would be my pleasure to assist your family. You can find me at melissa@crazyimaginationtravel.com. See you real soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel and my Instagram and my Facebook. And I love meeting you guys on the ship. So more and more of you are coming up and saying hello, and I love that. So make sure you say hi. See you real soon.